You're gonna need this chair, aren't you?
Well, I thought that... How come you sit in it and you were in frame, but when
Because I'm taller than you. On this one.
The lower one?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm already sweaty. Perfect.
Yay! Sweaty.
Hello, friends. In my last tutorial copy video, I got a bunch of comments. I got one comment.
I'm so popular.
Someone asked me to do a Dollfille transformation, one of her tutorials, and she doesn't really have tutorials specifically. A lot of her videos are like transformations, how she went from point A to B without like the instructions. Found that her Sugarpill video was a tutorial, and I have the stuff from Sugarpill that she used, and I was like, it'd be really fun because I've always wanted to do a makeup look like Dollfille's because they're really cool and super colorful and bright. And then I thought, I'll drag Holly into this because I'd love to see Holly be forced to use these bright colors. And also I feel like Toshi / Dollfille, her style is like a combination of cutesy and goth. And what better way to try to portray it from a cutesy person and a goth person?
Yay! Don't at me about my bad job of covering my eyebrows.
We both have eyebrows, and Toshi doesn't have eyebrows, and her look goes over the eyebrows, and I have bleached ones, so maybe it'll work. Her video is really informational about her own like style and influences, and I'm not gonna play it throughout the video. I'm just gonna kind of edit to what we're doing to follow, so I definitely suggest that you should watch it on your own to learn more about her.
Otherwise this video would be like an hour long.
Yeah, it's very, very long. Okay, so let's figure out what to do first. Oh. She didn't show her base, so we did our own base makeup.
Yes.
I really like to actually just use my finger when I'm doing my initial base blending things.
Quite a significant portion of her eye.
I'm scared. Off to a good start. I did not get the shape right at all. Help.
I feel like hers looks a lot like more rounded and soft.
It's a lot more like blended out, but then in the center, like in this part, it's more.
How does she not get this under her eye? Like,
it's more vibrant.
Silver type thing, and I like to kind of use it as a buffer color.
So like she's doing Cloud Maker shadow in the front corner.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna. Other thing about me is I'm a perfectionist, so I could sit here and spend like 20 minutes on each step, so I'm trying not to do that.
I'm very much not a perfectionist. Just like, it's good enough.
I'm such a perfectionist. But only about certain things, I guess. Anyway.
What does hers, how does she have? It's like so thick, but also so blended.
How's it going there, Laura?
I'm just scared about the eyeliner.
Oh, that's gonna be my favorite part.
Oh my gosh, I'm really scared. The shape is fine, but then like the point where my eyebrow sticks out a little bit past the shape, I've now like highlighted it, so
yeah,
it's like
my eyebrow hairs are like shiny.
It's like accentuated, and then I just wiped off my like base.
Okay, and also now I'm going in doing the same thing with the gold, the twinkle twinkle color.
Ooh!
What was that?
Look at how thick this went on.
Nice.
So I'm using the glint lipstick to just kind of up the color base a little bit more.
I don't have that glitter lips or that gold lipstick. It's Glint by Sugarpill, but I have like a gold pen or pencil.
I'm gonna try this one.
I really want that Sugarpill lipstick, but it's always sold out.
I just want their red eyeshadow, but it's always sold out. Sugarpill. I just want your red eyeshadow.
I feel like these.
Okay, so Star Ribbon is going.
I did the star ribbon, which matches Kiki really well, just to kind of set it.
You just set this
and I'm gonna
center area. Oh, I like that actually. actually.
Yep.
Yep.
I like to take a fluffy brush and start with like no pressure at all and just kind of get the idea of where I want it to be, and then just kind of like increase the pressure and go in little circles.
Oh my gosh, super pink blush on Holly.
I'm so excited! I actually am excited. This blush brush I'm trying to use from you is covered in highlight.
Use the rainbow brush cleaner.
Gay. It's a really good video title.
What, one person commented, so I made a video?
I totally clicked on that.
Would you though? Would you? I don't know if I have too much blush or if I have not enough blush.
I feel like you don't know what the judge of like blush levels are because you just blush like crazy.
Yeah, but so does Toshi, so it's fine.
Yeah, that's true.
She blushes like the same amount that I do.
Oh my god, I was thinking this is enough and then I looked at her again and I was like, no! Still not enough! I've noticed I started copying that thing that you do.
Which one?
The There's like a few of your habits I picked up.
I think there's a few of your habits I've picked up too. Like
what?
Like some of your physical mannerisms.
That
but also
sense.
sometimes you laugh and you like stick out your tongue, and I do the same thing now. You're like
That's more of like a Bretman Rock thing.
I'm gonna blend this out with Star Candy while we're chatting.
I really like this color combination.
Cool. What's next?
Let's see. I think eyeliner's next, and I'm really scared.
There you go. That's my shape. See all that blending? Gone. Bye, friend.
I used to do this shape of eyeliner with my like old buttons clown, and I used to be really good at it. I don't remember how I did it. I used to be so much better at this. Oh, your shape is perfect!
Well, I guess doing winged eyeliner every day for like 8 years did something for me.
I didn't start doing winged eyeliner until like, I think I was like 25.
Really?
Yeah.
I started doing it in high school and I was really bad and I used to do it like real thick, but that was like winged eyeliner and like matte red lipstick is like all I've done for years.
I remember I had this friend who like in high school just like did perfect winged eyeliner, and I was like, how? And then like whenever I'd try it would be really bad, and she wasn't mean to me or anything, but like I would see hers and I would be like, there's no point in me even trying, like, because it's not going to be that good.
Oh, that's no way to look at things.
I know, but that's stupid high school lore. And so I didn't try, and then when I like was into Lolita, I started messing with my makeup more, and then I eventually did that. How long has Hogwarts existed? Forever?
You can't ask me these kind of questions. My Harry Potter card's gonna be around. I don't remember how long. It definitely hasn't existed forever because Godric Gryffindor, Salazar Slytherin, Honka Hufflepuff, and Rowena Ravenclaw created it.
Honka Honka Puff. Honkla Honk. What did you say?
Helga Hufflepuff.
Holga. Wait, and can you tell me about the other schools too? And can you tell me about mermaids and Thestral?
We have to cut all this out.
That's fine. I'll just speed through it. I want a story from their perspective. Do they have a school? A merce school? How do you blend black? I don't know.
Because you never use black.
Yeah, I don't understand. Toshi's also known for doing looks that have like tears going down them, and I think that I'll just like use literal tears from my failure at this. Yours is perfect! What
You're like literally throwing a tantrum.
It's perfect! I'm not looking at what you're doing, and I just hear you beside me being like, oh, I messed it up. Oh, it's so bad. And then I look over and it's perfect! Oh. We're going fast here. Oh my god, stop! Okay.
I thought this was the hardest part. Look at this detail. I can't.
How far forward does she do? I feel like there's like a scientific method of like where she's placing them and how long and stuff to like mimic actual eyelashes, and I don't know what that is. Mine looks like I added wrinkles.
Mine looks like creepy like tree branches, but you know what? I like
Go to google.com google.com and corpse paint.
Oh, yeah. That's what my eyelashes look like.
That's what I just want to turn it into, like.
Like, what is this? It looks like I had an eyelash extension and then it, like, started breaking.
This side looks really good. I haven't seen the other side.
It looks dumb.
It's not as good as this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on like a pair of like kind of like long wispies first, and then this pair of Halloween lashes that I got.
Sorry. That was way too dramatic of a reaction for just dropping an eyelash. So, for the lips, she mixes these two together, and I don't understand how.
Should you mix it on something and then use a brush?
That's what it seems like, but how do you get enough product out? Because you can't pour it out.
You dig.
I guess it's working. I complained too prematurely. Like, this is the corner that she did, and then this is the corner that I started with. It's more cloudy. Okay, so she, like, puts green here and then underneath her chin. I don't know why that was.
I'm actually having fun now that this part is over.
Now that the eyes are over?
Yeah.
And now just cover your entire face in Lumi.
What is this shadow? Lumi? Look at it. Look at how much, like, glitter payoff is in it.
It's really nice.
I don't have a shadow like that. I need that shadow.
This is my channel now. I'm sweaty. I'm so sweaty. Yeah.
So now's the hard part. Again, there's a lot of hard parts. Gonna do star. I don't know if I mentioned it, but
I didn't know she was gonna do this because you didn't let me watch to the end. This is cute.
I didn't want to, like, have the whole thing spoiled for you. And then, like, I haven't watched this video since it, like, originally aired 2 or 3 months ago.
I'm just gonna put on some rhinestones and some glitter. Like, and it doesn't mess up the shadow or anything.
Okay, so we need rhinestones and glitter, and we need to add, like, a tear. Oh my god! I need to wash. I need to shower. I just made it worse. Help me.
My cellar water. They didn't show how she drew that tear on.
The best way to draw tears is, like, if you have body paint, like, black or body paint color that's like a water-based one, and then you add water to it, and then you just, like, put more water on the brush than you need. Like, use, like, a skinny brush, press it on, and then the water will, like, drip down it, and then you lean your head to, like, how it is. But I don't have any body paint. Good.
So here's my finished look. Thank you so much for watching and joining us. So if you follow this tutorial and you recreated the look or anything, please make sure to tag me.
How do you feel about your look?
So, yeah, I feel good. I feel like it turned out better than I expected it to. I was worried about this whole brow situation, but I think it looks okay. I really like it. It's fun. Laura's roommate was saying that he thinks Laura just looks like Laura. So I feel like that's fair.
I was, like, honestly expecting to see my face totally different and be like, oh, this isn't my face, like, this is Toshi's face, but, like, I definitely still see me.
Yeah.
Just with, like, more eyeliner, like, different eyeliner.
Yeah.
Especially because I think that I didn't really do this bottom shape, like, as drastic or as big as she did. I feel like if I did it more accurate, I would have looked different. But yeah, I love this look. I would totally wear this. I love the combination of colors.
Yeah, it's very you.
It's shown me more ways to use my Sugarpill little twin stars, like, set.
Yeah. Yeah, this was really fun. We should do this again.
Yes, I would like to. You should find, like, a makeup artist that you are inspired by.
Oh, I already know one.
That you think is different than me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She does, like, crazy eyeliner though, so you're gonna hate me.
Well, until next time.
Stay lovely.